In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and launch a course in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your course space, add content, organize everything into a clear structure, choose pricing and access, and confidently go live. Start by signing in to your Squarespace dashboard and heading to the area for courses or education features. The label may vary slightly by template or plan, but you're looking for the built-in course tools. If you don't immediately see them, check that your site is on a plan that supports courses. Once you're in the right place, you're ready to begin building. Begin a new course setup. You'll typically see a button like Create Course or New Course. Click it to open a blank course shell. Think of this as your home base where all lessons, media, and settings will live. Next, add your course title, a clear description, and your lesson structure. Aim for a concise, benefits-driven title that tells learners what they'll achieve. In the description, outline who the course is for, what they'll learn, and any prerequisites or materials they might need. Create a simple outline of lessons so you have a logical path from start to finish. This helps your learners and keeps you focused as you build. Now, upload your course content, including videos, text, and any downloads like worksheets or slide decks. Keep video files optimized so pages load quickly, and add captions if you have them for accessibility. For text lessons, break content into short, readable sections and use headings to guide learners. For downloads, label files clearly so students know exactly what they're getting and when to use it. Organize everything into sections or modules. Group related lessons under a module title such as Introduction, Core Skills, and Next Steps. Drag and drop to reorder lessons, and consider adding short module summaries so learners understand what they'll accomplish before moving on. Set your pricing, access, and enrollment options. Choose whether the course is free or paid, one-time purchase, or part of a membership. Decide who can access the content, public, members only, or invite only, and whether enrollment is always open or tied to a specific start date. If you plan to accept payments, confirm that your checkout and payment settings are connected and tested. Finally, review and launch. Preview your course as a learner, test any downloads, and check how everything looks on mobile. Read through your titles and descriptions for clarity, then publish when you're ready. Share your course link and you're live. If you spot anything later, you can always return to refine lessons and settings without disrupting your students' experience.